This is what squirrels do all day. They gather food and then they bury it in your yard. See how they tearing up the yard? Burying stuff? Look at he's digging up your yard. He thinks he's a farmer. That's why they're territorial, because they bury their food in their area. So they fight off other squirrels off the property. So the squirrels I usually catch on the property the first 2 weeks to a month are usually the target squirrels. After that, there could be new squirrels backfilling. It's possible right away, but by then we would sealed up your house, pest-proofed your house for these new invaders. They likely wouldn't try to get in your house if there's no easy access once we pest-proofed.